How to make money online without an investment. With many people stuck at home these days, many are looking for ways to make money from home without any investment. From college students, stay-at-home spouses, stay-at-home moms, retirees, and even businessmen or women who want to get more done on the side. In fact, there are several ways to earn money online without investing a single penny. That way, you don't have to worry about the financial consequences of risking your money. Do research online. Are you good at using Google to find specific information? If so, there are plenty of opportunities to earn money online for free. Many companies in different industries hire web researchers to find the most relevant and reliable sources of information for them. They then share that information with their customers to help them make informed business decisions. You can apply to work on your assignments. All you need is a computer and internet access. Wonder hires virtual detectives to find quality answers to questions posted by its clients. Activities may include collecting statistics, explaining market trends, or determining competitive scenarios. 10EQS hires industry experts who can research and answer questions relevant to their specific industries. If you have extensive knowledge of an industry, you can apply to join the 10EQS team of experts and opportunity to work on live research projects. You can also apply for research jobs online at Upwork and Indeed. Transcribe audio and video files. While AI is emerging as a tool to help with transcription of speech to text, it's far from perfect. Many businesses still rely on transcribers to convert audio from video and voice files into accurate text. You can secure a part-time position with one company as a rev or freelance with multiple companies on specific projects. Most companies let you choose which tasks you work on and set your own hours. The best part is, you don't need to invest anything up front, just use your computer's built-in speakers to transcribe. To be successful as a transcriber, you'll want to strengthen your typing skills. Your work should be error-free and easy for clients to understand. Start practicing transcribing short audio files so you're ready to apply for jobs at transcription companies. Become a virtual assistant. If you have a knack for organization and planning, becoming a virtual assistant is a great way to make an extra money online. A virtual assistant job involves performing various tasks such as managing social media, answering emails, and taking phone calls on behalf of a business. With the increase of the number of independent business owners, virtual assistants are seeing a sharp increase in demand for their services. You can get started by applying to Upwork, Indeed, or virtual assistant jobs. VAs make an average of $19.36 an hour according to Indeed.com. Some virtual assistants have had success building their personal brand and promoting it to entrepreneurs and startups. You can do the same by creating a Facebook business page and embellishing it with content that promotes your service. Review websites and apps. Another way to earn money for free is to check websites for cash. Some companies offer paid and free products for people to leave testimonials on their sites. Other companies pay people to evaluate the quality and performance of their website. When reviewing websites, you will generally take a look at the site's functionality and how fast it loads. The amount you earn will depend on the market you work with and the testing methods you use. In most cases, you'll earn more if you're willing to conduct one-on-one test sessions with clients via video conference. Here are some companies you can join. User testing for app, website, and user experience testing. Try My UI for impression and survey-based testing. Testbirds for digital product, store, and mobile app testing. None of these companies require a sign-up fee, so you can start reviewing websites and making money without any investment. Join an affiliate program. If you think you have the marketing skills to promote things effectively, join an affiliate program and earn commissions by promoting products, services, and brands on different platforms. Once accepted, you'll receive an affiliate link to share with others. When someone purchases your product or service after clicking on the link, you will receive a commission along with referral credit. The commission payout depends on the affiliate program and the product being promoted. Basic items on the Amazon Marketplace won't pay much, but promoting digital services like web hosting can net you hundreds or thousands of dollars. Contrary to popular belief, affiliate marketing does not rely on blog promotions to generate income for a marketer. You can use social media accounts like Instagram and Facebook to promote businesses and earn money. Launch a YouTube channel. Have you ever thought about becoming a YouTuber? Today, you can shoot unboxing videos, product tutorials, and funny skits with nothing more than your smartphone, and it costs nothing to create your own YouTube channel. By logging into YouTube with your Google account, you can create a new channel with your name or a custom name. As a YouTube channel owner, you will have several opportunities to earn money. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers, you can start earning by posting ads on your channel. You can also partner with brands on sponsored content, sell products, or become an affiliate to monetize your channel. The key to a successful YouTube channel is focusing on a niche. You can offer beauty tutorials, review tech products, do a daily roundup of cryptocurrency prices, whatever you think might bring in more views. Participate in focus groups. Do you like sharing your ideas and opinions with people? Participate in a paid market research study to earn $50 an hour or even more. Focus groups are typically used to determine people's attitudes towards specific products, brands, or ideas. Participants may also be asked for their opinions on competing products or companies. Focus groups can be held in person or online, but are usually free and participants are paid handsomely. Some of the places you can go to look for focus groups include user interviews, respondent, L&E research, 2020 panel, and take part in research. There will usually be a moderator in the group to lead the discussions, take notes, and record the session. If you join an online focus group, you should be able to join the discussions via video software on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Become an online travel agent. Do you know where to find the best deals on flights and holiday packages? Consider working from home as a virtual travel agent. Travel agents are paid to help people plan vacations and personal trips. Since the logistics, connecting flights, accommodation, sightseeing, etc., can be overwhelming, many people rely on travel agencies to facilitate their travels. You don't need any kind of special certification to become an online travel agent. Research and organization skills are all you need to plan a smooth trip for your clients within the budget they mention. For support, you can partner with different companies to get discounts to offer your customers. Sell photos online. If you take photos regularly or have a lot of pictures on your hard drive, you can sell them to stock brokerages to earn some money. You'll receive a commission every time someone downloads one of your photos, either a fixed amount or a percentage determined by the stock image site. Best websites to sell your photos online include Burst, Shutterstock, Alamy, and iStock. If you build a good collection around a particular theme, you can make a good amount of money from it. And the best part is that every image you upload can be sold over and over again, although some websites may require photos to be exclusive to their platform. Offer social media consistency. Do you know how to get followers on Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest? Market your skills as a social media consultant. Brands will reach out for you to brainstorm creative ideas, produce videos, and more. It is a great earning opportunity for people with social media skills, as you can use your existing profile as a portfolio. Market your portfolio in digital marketing groups and forums, and don't forget to include a link in all outreach emails you send to agencies. These are some ways to make money online without an investment, and with that being said, it's time to end today's video. Check out our YouTube channel for more interesting stuff. Thanks for watching. Take care.